Namaste to all my Jyotish friend. I am going to discuss about Sushant Singh Rajput, the famous Hindi film actor, recently died in Bandra. I will elaborate his horoscope and whatever his achievement and how conclude with the sad demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant was born in Patna, 1986. His birth star Rohini Shabrasi. Ascendant was a Mesha Lagna. Sushant having powerful Chandra at Rishabh Rasi. The fourth house Chandra exalted Rishabh Rasi. Till 2000, Sushant was running with various dasas, that is Chandra Dasha, Mars Dasha, and 2000 onwards he initiated with Rahu Dasha. Sushant's education career was very bright. Completed a mechanical engineering and he has attempted 11 entrance engineering exams actually. Cleared also, and he has cleared Olympiad exams in the academic side also. Later on, after his education, he is also playing dances, and in 2006 he secured with the dance group of Filmfare Award. During his Rahu Dasha, he was promoted like good in his lifestyle. So 2006 he was playing dance with a group, and 2008 he has appeared in Meha TV serials. His first TV serial was in the Star Plus TV. Kish Desh Main Hai, the TV serial he played, and 2009 he won the Filmfare Award for the TV serial. Like that, till 2013 he was working with so many TV serials and winning best TV serial actor, like that. Actually, the Rahu Dasha showed him a nice lifestyle. At the same time, his next step was in the film. In 2013, he has given opportunity in the cinema. Sushant Singh Rajput debut in a movie, first movie called it as Sky Poche, and successively he has given opportunity for 11 movies from 2013 onwards. One of the movie, MS Dhoni, he has acted and he took the limelight in that movie. And his final movie was Dil Bachare in 2020. In Sushant Singh horoscope, 4 planets are at 10th house. The 4 planets, Surya, Buddha, Shukra and Guru. That 4 planet in Karmasthana drives in to the film industry actually. And also these 4 planets aspect by Saturn. It's a karmic effect. Actually, in his previous birth, he was a famous actor like that, because the karmic reflections are seen in his birth chart. That means Saturn positioned in Vrishika Rasi, actually a malefic Saturn aspecting these 4 planets, is deviated from the corporate sector to film industry side actually. The Saturn has exactly given a karmic effort, and he has entrusted him in the cine industry. The 8th house Saturn indicates, actually it's not a good sign, and the 8th house Saturn has a malefic occupied Mars Mangal house is a longevity issue. This longevity I will elaborate in later. Sushant Singh Rajput horoscope, 7th house occupied by Mars and also conjunction with Ketu. This Mars is a 8th house planet and occupied in 7th house. 7th house conjunction with Ketu. The married life, in case Sushant Singh Rajput goes for the married life is not that much happy, because Ketu and Mangal is giving Manglik dosha, deep Manglik dosha, and the 8th house occupied by Saturn, the Mangal house was occupied by Saturn, indicates is a enemy place. That means the Mangal house occupied Saturn is not up to the mark. Even if Sushant Singh Rajput married, it will go for separation and he cannot live with his life partner. That is 100% very clear. And one more thing is Shani aspected by second house moon is called Punarpudosh. This Punarpudosh, what happened, that is also post-marital issues. So 3-4 reasons makes him not married till his 34 years. 34 years means he died in the age of 34. So Mars, 8th house Mars occupied in 7th house, 8th house occupied by Saturn. It is a malefic position, and the same Shani aspected by second house moon is called Punarpudosh. All these reflexes gives not to fix in the family life. Sushant Singh having this Punarpudosh, Saturn and Chandrama is aspecting. So he has 3-4 girlfriend come across in his life. This is very, very sure. And even if he wants to live in relationship, that will not allow by these 3 planets. Saturn, Mars, Moon, all these planets not allowed to go with together and run a life with the opposite sex. Rishabha Rasi sign, moon sign, and moon presence in the Rishabh. So he is very, very attractive physical structure, and he can move with any females, but later on that relationship will be a enemy character like that. Actually, initially he will be good for that particular female or whoever, but later on that relationship will stain because of Punarpudosh and the 8th house occupied by Saturn, it's a Mars house. These 2 reasons, so he cannot go very close with any females. Even one of the female is ready to marry and he is ready to help, but that never happened till his life end. With respect to Sushant Singh Rajput horoscope, if we calculate, the powerful Papasamay dosh is presence. That means around 3 points will be occurring in the Papasamay dosh. That is also one of the reason unable to marry him. In his 10th house, the 4 major planets, Shukra, Guru, Buddha, Surya, out of these 4, Jupiter is debiliated, and the only plus sign is Jupiter associate with planets is good, but Jupiter as debiliation gives lot of trouble for him in the profession. And not only for that, Sun and Venus are together in the 10th house. That is also one of the reason. His profession was not smooth. Actually, every time he has to go with Cold War. That front side, everyone talks nice, and back side, always creating some problem. Because the 10th house planets are not having cordial relationship. The Karmasthana having Graha Yuddha, a negative planet. So he has to sail always in the opposite wind. That means every time. But he will achieve, but there is no issue. But every time he has to go with the negative wind of, that means negative wind means people always negative, and he has to achieve it because the 4 Chaturgraha Yoga allow him to achieve all the obstacles. Actually, in the year 2000 itself, he entered in a Mahadasa, Rahu Mahadasa, 18 years. Rahu denotes a Yoga Bhoga Karaka. So he always promote a person from the root level to top level. So at the time of 2000 to 2006, he was doing some academics and he was performing arts, dance. And 2008, he secured a first TV serial. And then the first TV serial itself, he has got Filmfare Awards. Like that, he has got so many awards till even in the 2013, he entered into film field, that means cinema industry. There also, he has acted nearly 11 films. So, first 4 years, from 2018 to 2012, he was present in the TV serial. He is not new for film industry. He promoted from the TV serial. The initial side is a dance, art side he has given some performance. Based on that, he has entered into TV serial. TV serial he has dominated nearly 4 or 5 years. Then his first movie was in the 2013. From there, he has acted nearly 11 films actually. So 2016, he has given a best movie of MS Dhoni, the cricket player role he has done. So many awards he has secured. So profession-wise, externally, we can see Sushant Singh Rajput done a lot of achievement. But when he worked in the film industry, people sometimes supports, people sometimes always push back method. That means Sushant Singh never get encouragement inside in the film industry. Externally, everyone says you are doing well, like that actually.